Happy Halloween! Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw and color a spooky Halloweeny pumpkin together. Wow, I am so excited! First, let's start with black and draw the main lines. We are drawing a pumpkin, so it's going to be big and round. For its eyes, I'm using a triangle shape. For its nose too. And a big smile. Now, let's make the lines dark and thick. Wow, kids, I love Halloween. It's so much fun. What do you like about Halloween? I love the pumpkins and the sweets, candies, everything. Kids, I've got a question. What color is a pumpkin? Orange? Oh, that's right. Orange. Let's go. Let's color it orange. I love our pumpkin. It brings the Halloween. Now let's use red for our pumpkin smile. That's right, red. Now it's time to color the pumpkin's nose and eyes. Let's color them gray. You can also use your black color. Here I'm using my gray color. Let's use green for the pumpkin stem. Our pumpkin is orange with gray eyes and nose and red smile. It looks so cute. Finally, let's add some shadows. Ta-da! We did it! If you want to draw and color with me again, subscribe to our channel. Have a spooky Halloween! Bye!